Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Passkey from Discord account. Here's how to remove the Passkey from your Discord account. The first thing you like to do is to open your browser and go to your Discord web app and log in with your email and password if prompted. Once logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage. From this homepage, head over to the bottom left corner of the homepage. In the bottom left corner of the homepage, click on the Get icon, that settings icon that's next to your profile name. And that's going to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, on the left navigation panel, click on My Account, which is pretty much the first option and the default option. Once you click on that, you'll be directed to your account settings. In the account settings, locate the Passkey section. So scroll down until you find the Passkey section. So this is add an additional layer of protection to your account with a security key, which is the Passkey. Now, I have not registered a security key, but if you have, then click on register security key, follow through the prompt to register a security key or a passkey. Now, once you find the passkey, you will see any passkeys associated with your Discord account under this section which says security keys. Now, in the passkey section, click on remove button. Click on the remove button that is next to the passkey you wish to remove. You'll find your passkeys, if you have any, under the security keys category. So click on the remove button next to the passkey you wish to remove. Now you may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the passkey. Once you confirm, the passkey will be removed from your Discord account. You can now log in using other methods such as email or password or your TFA if needed. I'd like you to know that removing the passkey means you will no longer be able to log in via that specific passkey method. Now, if you have multiple login options like password or 2FA, ensure you have access to those. After removing a passkey, you may want to ensure that your email or password and other security methods are properly configured for your account security. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.